Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I have something extra super spectacular to share with you guys. This is something that has been in the making for a long time. Let me say a name real quick. Deon Nel. That's who created this. Deon Nel Knives is the name of his company. You've seen one of his pieces of work on this channel, and it is, if you're like me, it was one of the most stunning things you've ever seen. Deon Nel is a South African custom knife maker, and he's going to be attending Blade Show Texas, which I believe is on the 23rd of February. So if you are planning on attending, I'm going to give you a reason to stop by and say hello. I'd also suggest that you follow him on Instagram at The Knife Whisperer, which I'll probably have up on screen right now. Definitely do that. Definitely do that. But yeah, if you're gonna go to Blade Show Texas, you should stop by. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. A while back, when I had checked out, this has been I've been waiting on this for so long, and I had to get it through customs and all that. But I'm so happy you decided to do this. I had checked out one of his knives through somebody else, and he said, you know, if you would ever like me to make you something, just let me know. And look through my Instagram. Check out the models that I do. And wouldn't you know it, I found one that I really, really liked. I asked for just one, I think it was one or two modifications to the design, and he did it. And this is just, I'm sure going to be absolutely, is this the COA? Yeah, we have the COA here. Oh boy, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I know, I'm building this up. I cannot wait to get this out and take a look. Oh, it's a big girl. It's a big girl. Yes, it is a fixed blade. It is. But it's a special one. Oh, God. I remember how incredible his work was last time, so I'm just shaking with anticipation. Where are we? Are we here? Okay. All right. Oh, and we have another pouch. God. Oh, gosh. Okay. All right. We are so close. We're getting there. We have a final pouch. Oh, no, it's glove time. It's glove time. Just the cap there at the back. Nope, we gotta have gloves, guys. Oh, no. Oh, yes. Oh, this is gonna be a magical moment. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, look at the sheath. I don't even have the blade out yet. Oh my gosh, what? Oh, that is beautiful. Oh my Lord. What in tarnation? This is stunning. This is stunning. Oh, this is just wild, man. This is just wild. Listen, I could review the sheath. Oh no, but you know what? It's time to get the blade out. Come on, you gotta keep those metal buttons back. Okay, at some point it will release, but you have to understand, if you're getting frustrated, oh no, there it goes. Here it comes. Oh, okay, just gotta keep that button back. There we go. Oh my, oh my, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. What sort of next level wizardry is this? Oh my gosh. Deon Nel. I have never seen something as beautiful as this. I am actually beside myself with awe. I have wanted a custom dagger well before I started this channel. Gosh, Deon, the handle is perfect. This is so gorgeous. I had asked him to, this model that he does has a natural palm swell. And I said, can you do one? You know, it's just, this is going to be, he makes functional knives. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I'm trying to pull it together right now. He makes functional knives. But I told him, I said, this is going to be, it's going to be decorative. And I would really like, just for aesthetic reasons, to have a straight handle. And he just went ahead and did it. He mirror polished the, oh God, the guard. This is unreal. It's like the logo on it is like the same as the knife. This is fully mirror polished and absolutely perfect. And yes, completely sharp on both sides. Dagger. Oh, this is unreal. This is unreal. I am so happy with this. I think this might be the most beautiful knife I've ever seen. I'm just going to say it. Because yeah, I'm feeling it. I think this is the most beautiful knife I've ever seen in my life. I love symmetry. Man, the feeling holding this knife. Oh God. Dude, this is so perfect. Oh God, I wish I had more to say than just giggling and freaking out, but I've never seen something so beautiful. Look at this. Oh, that line perfectly out to the tip. That is so beautiful. I am so happy with this. Deon, you have outdone yourself. This is spectacular. Absolutely spectacular. Look at that mirror polish, man. Look at that. This is unreal. Getting some couple of face reveals there. Obviously, the first time my face has ever been seen ever, so it's a big deal. Man, just really, truly beautiful. And I believe what we have here is a high-polished micarta for the scales. Look at this layering up here. Wow. So this will get a full video. What we're looking at here is just an unboxing and first impressions. The sheath alone, that's a half-hour video. I don't know how he does this. This is just insane. But I'll give you guys the overall measurement here. But this is exactly what I asked for and then some. I mean, it just, oh my, I've reviewed so many knives. I've never had anything like this. I've just never been blown away like this before. It is 12.5 inches long. The blade length is about 7.35 and the cutting edge is about 6.35. So that's what you're looking at there. Beautiful, 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 stunning, beyond stunning. I have no more words. I have to end this video. I will give you guys a full comprehensive review of this knife. I need to learn. I want to get as much information from him as possible. I knew that this was beautiful, and I knew it was absolutely worth taking a look at. His work in general is sincerely some of the most masterful in the knife world. It's unreal. But I want to get all the info. I want to get the story behind the design. And just anything else he wants to give me, and then we will talk about it in a full, not really a full review, it'll be more of an overview and presentation. Doesn't make sense to review a knife like this, but yeah, I want to give you guys the full presentation. So thank you so much, Deon Nel, for making this. This is a dream come true for me. I finally have, the custom dagger that I have always wanted, and it is beyond perfection. I could not be happier. Make sure, if you're going to Blade Show, Texas, make sure and stop by and say hello to Deon Nel. If you can't make it to Blade, follow him on Instagram. Again, that's at the Knife Whisperer. My goodness. Any other information I can link down in the description, I will absolutely do that. That's going to be it for me today, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.